Hey, easy, I just woke up. Backpacks don't talk! Hey kid, ready for an adventure? Whoa, you can talk! You bet, let's bounce! I forgot my homework.
Relax. Panic never solved math.
This is gonna be fun! Yeah, let's go!
Class, who can tell me what 2 plus 2 is?
Ooh, I know! It's 5!
Think, then speak, not the other way around.
Oh.
Time to bounce!
Whoa, easy there!
In this video, I'll show you how to create 3D animated story videos with talking characters using two simple and free AI tools, Canva and Gro AI. If that sounds interesting, like something you'd love to learn, give this video a like to show your support. And if this is your first time here, welcome aboard. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. All right, let's dive straight into the tutorial. Step 1. Create your story with ChatGPT. The first step is to create your story structure. We'll use ChatGPT to generate the story outline, character descriptions, emotional scene details, visual prompts, and dialogue, everything you need to bring your story to life. I already have a prompt prepared and have included it in the description so you can copy and paste it. Once you enter the prompt, ChatGPT will generate a complete story broken into multiple scenes. If we look at scene 1, you'll notice a character description, an emotional scene description, a Canva-safe text-to-image prompt. I structured the prompt this way because Canva often rejects prompts that include words like Disney style or Pixar style, so please make sure your prompts are Canva-friendly. You'll also see an image-to-video prompt, which we'll use later. Step 2. Generate your story images in Canva. Now it's time to create our visuals. First, could you copy everything except the image-to-video prompt? Then head over to Canva. Select Canva AI, choose Text-to-Image, set the dimensions, 9 by 16 for mobile or short-form videos, 16 by 9 for YouTube long-form videos. Leave the style set to none. Paste your prompt and click Create. Canva will generate multiple image options. You can choose the one you like best. You can boost the resolution if you're on a paid plan, but the free version works perfectly fine. Once you're happy with the image, download it. Usually, you'd repeat this process for every scene, but for this tutorial, we only need one image. Step 3. Animate your image using Gro AI. Now, let's bring the image to life. You can just head over to Gro AI and log in to your account. Before we start, I recommend adjusting one setting. Go to Profile, select Settings, open Behavior, and disable Automatic Video Generation. This prevents Gro AI from turning images into videos automatically when you upload them. Next, click Imagine. Choose Image to Video, select your aspect ratio, upload your Canva image. Now you can go back to ChatGPT and copy the image to video prompt for scene 1. Paste it into Gro AI and generate the video. Once it's done, preview the result. Step 4. Continue the story using video frames. To create the following scene, play the video to the last frame. Copy that frame, go back, paste it as the starting image for the next video. Then, copy the image to video prompt for scene 2, paste it into Gro AI, and generate the video. If you're not happy with the result, click Redo. Repeat this process for all remaining scenes. Step 5. Edit and assemble your story in Canva. Now let's put everything together. Open Canva Video Editor or any editor you prefer, like CapCut, InShot, or Filmora. In Canva, upload all your video clips. Drag them onto the timeline in order. Add transitions, Click Between Scenes, choose Dissolve, set duration to 0.2 seconds. Apply to all scenes. This creates smooth, almost invisible transitions. Add background music, optional. Go to Uploads, Audio. Add background music to the timeline. You can adjust the volume if you need to. Your story already works without music, thanks to the lip sync, but music adds emotion. Final preview. Preview your video to make sure everything flows well. And that's it. That's how you create a 3D animated story video with talking characters using Canva and Gro AI for free. If you found value in this video, like, subscribe, and please share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in my next video.